we're now in Jacksonville, so we dropped by in Jollibee. So let's go. We're now in Jollibee.
Over there and over here is over there.
Your destination is on the left.
Thank you, Siri. We found it, Siri. Over here, Siri.
$2 snack pack.
Over here, thank you.
Joy served daily. Joy must be tired.
There.
Over there, honey. Nakulbaan siya, Tihoy. We're here, guys, in Jollibee. We're here now, guys. We're now in Jacksonville, Jollibee. We're now in Jollibee. With Jollibee. Let's go. Let's order, guys. Let's order. Oh my God. Ay, Thomas. So, let's order. This is the price of Jollibee, so you know what is the menu of Jollibee, guys, and how much the price is there. My friend ordered. My husband. This is the Jollibee, guys. Yeah, peach mango is good, honey. That's our order, guys. There's a lot of orders, guys. Look. Look at, guys. We have a lot of order. Ging pakyaw nila ni Ate Melba ng aming lina. Natin kutsara. Natin kutsara, guys. Natin kutsara, guys. Mag-live.
Hey guys! Our bellies are full from the bumblebees. Now we're gonna sit 5 hours with our bellies full. Okay, guys? Here we go, guys. On our way, guys.
On the way, guys. Back to reality, guys. We go now, guys. Back to reality, guys.
Reality of Words, guys.
Guys!
Wally worlds, guys.
Ate Neva, guys!
Hi guys. Okay guys. We're heading back to the house. Guys.
Bye, Jollibee! You say goodbye to Jollibee.
Guys.
Bye, Jollibee!
Take a picture, guys. Guys. Make sure, guys, you got
Guys,
it.
wait,
Bye,
wait, wait the
Jollibee.
Jollibee, the bee, guys. Guys.